Hi friends, today we're shopping at Dollar Tree at the Ontario location. The first section that I wanted to take a look at and see what kind of new items I can find was the makeup section, so let's just get right into it. The first makeup find I found was this Maybelline color eyeshadow. It was in violet. They also had a lot of different chapstick characters that were really cute with different scents. And I also saw these Kiss nail tip and toe stickers. They were really cute. They were arrows and just a lot of little tribal signs. They were really adorable to stick onto your nails. I also really enjoy these Jade facial rollers. I have two of them, one for the face and one for the under eye, and they work absolutely great. I also came across these nail art. They're really thin brushes, so you can make cute little designs on your nails. I absolutely love them. They come in multiple colors, but the only ones I saw were the green. I also love this brush here to apply any facial or gel masks. Dollar Tree has also carried these makeup sponges, these jelly ones, for a while. I hadn't seen this shape here, the clear one. I absolutely love that it has glitter in it. I think it looks so pretty. And I also came across this new Wet n Wild liquid metallic lipstick. It was in Queen's Blood. I hadn't seen this shade before. I absolutely love the packaging with the little flames at the top. I think it looked really cute. And I also came across these Wet n Wild lip liners. I saw this one here called I Got the Juice. It's like a maroon, darkish burgundy color. And they also had a different one right behind this one. It was a pinkish shade called Never Petal Down. These were so beautiful. I definitely had to pick one of these up for a future giveaway. So stick around, hit subscribe, and check out my Instagram for the future giveaway. I also saw that Wet n Wild carried one of their own jelly sponges to apply your foundation or concealer, whatever you like to use it for. I love the packaging. And I also saw these Wet n Wild under eye liners. One was in gold and one was in green. I absolutely loved the shades, so I picked these up for a future giveaway. And they also had some more of these brown sugar lip scrubs by Wet n Wild. And I always see these brushes at Dollar Tree, but I've never tried them and I'm really curious about them. So if you have and they're good, please let me know in the comments below. And another really cool item that Dollar Tree carries are these shadow switching sponges. If you're using one shadow brush to do an eye look, this is a really great product to have. And I also recently picked up this charcoal beauty makeup sponge. It was a little stiff for my liking, but I am still currently using it, so I'll let you know in the future how I feel about it. And I also found another liquid lipstick by Wet n Wild. This one was called Satin Sheets. And this was one of the jackpot items that I was so excited to find. It is the Wet n Wild Stick Foundation in Shell Ivory. And I also came across another Wet n Wild liquid lipstick. This one here was called Video Vixen. And this beautiful blush by Wet n Wild was called Pearlescent Pink. And I also found this Wet n Wild eyeshadow stick. It was a purple shade called Fair Leggings. And I also found a brow cream gel by LA Colors. This one paired with the LA Colors concealer stick is a perfect match to carve out your eyebrows. If you're looking to have a really nice eyebrow look, this is definitely the way to go on a budget. And I've also heard a lot of really great things about the Broadway Beauty eyebrow kit. I haven't personally tried it, but if you have, let me know in the comments below if that's a better option. And I was also really excited to come across these Jessie's Girl Duo nail polishes. There was 2 polishes for $1, which is a great deal, so 50 cents for each. I absolutely loved this one here with the glitter and the coral color. I've never tried these nail polishes, but I do know that they go way more for just $1, so I was really excited to find them. And I also came across some Wet n Wild nail polishes. This blue one is such a pretty color for summer. And these new color polishes are also a really great find, along with these Julie G nail polishes. I absolutely love these right here, the red and the little shimmer gold. Perfect for Christmas. But hands down, I think the best polishes for $1 at Dollar Tree are these Kiss polishes in the gel form. They stay on for a few weeks, and I absolutely love the shades that they have. And also in the facial wipes section, I came across these Bolero body wipes. I've never seen them have body wipes before. If you've tried these, please let me know in the comments below. I am a little hesitant to use them, but they look really good. I've also tried out these facial wipes. I absolutely love Bolero facial wipes. I don't break out by them, so I think they're amazing. And I also came across these coffee break cappuccino face masks. I know they carry another one before this one, so I definitely had to bring that one home with me. And I also came across this new Bolero facial line. This one here is the pink grapefruit with cactus water. I haven't seen them come out with this overnight detox cream. I did go ahead and pick it up in the bamboo and rose water scent. I haven't tried it out yet, but I'll definitely give you guys an update on my Instagram. And this last scent that they had was lychee and coconut water. And they also came out with a few other products. This one here was honey and chamomile extract. This was a facial cleansing balm. And this next product was a hydrating concentrated elixir. It's banana and coconut milk. And this next item is a Awakening eye cream. This one is pineapple and cucumber. I feel like this one would smell so good. I absolutely love the Bolero under eye cream. I use the previous one from the previous collection and it works really well. This one here is a Complexion Perfection Jelly Face Mask. It's watermelon and papaya. And this one here is a moisturizing milk serum, strawberry and hemp seed. And this last product here is a firming milk serum with hyaluronic acid and squalene. And up at the front of my Dollar Tree, they carry a lot of cute little things. Like I found these yoga cards that have 32 different poses on them. They also had 2 different packs of these. One was for advanced and one was also for, I believe, beginners. And I also found these little mini puzzles. This one here was a cute little cat with glasses. They had a mermaid. And this green one was a panda with a watermelon. And I've never seen these before. These were friendship bracelet kits. So cute. You could definitely customize your own little friendship bracelets. They had a lot of cute little notebooks up at the front as well. They also had these 4 different game cards. And I absolutely loved these tie-dye notebooks. This one said, "The best is yet to come," and "Stay focused." And I absolutely loved this iridescent one that said, "Trust your soul." They had a lot of cute little novelty pens, a LED light in the shape of a pineapple, and lots of stickers and notebooks and just really cute planner stuff. I also found these really adorable key covers in unicorns, rainbows, and watermelons. And they also have this really adorable unicorn earphone case. I've never seen these at Dollar Tree before, but these were really, really cute. They were little prayer cards. There was 2 different packs. Also saw 2 little boxes of these lunch notes that had little messages on them that were absolutely adorable. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye-bye.